Welcome to my dark Phonk tutorial. I use this sample as my starting point for the whole song. It sounds really dark and gloomy, so it's perfect for a dark Phonk project. After I put on all of the effects, it sounds something like this. I added delay, EQ, and a filter. I put it in piano roll and made this pattern. Next, I used the loop string sample as this dark ambient melody in the background. I cloned it and made an up-pitched version that sounds like a violin. I also added in a piano sound, which I will only use in the chorus section of the song. I added in the drums, just standard stuff. I added in this guitar sample, which I also put delay on, and a couple of these chants. The 808 pattern is also pretty simple. I used the sample looping technique in Edison to make a bass line. Nothing special here. We're also adding in an a cappella sample. It sounds really rough without effects, so I clean it up with EQ, filters and reverb. Create a composition for your track and add in some automation. I mainly automated filters because they're useful for fading stuff in and out. This is the whole song. I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Peace.